This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, June 4th, 2010. We were asked to take a look at Helix Wind. It's an OTC bulletin board stock trading under the ticker HLXW. Made a very strong move yesterday, up 75% or near 75%. This was a move that was spurred by some news for some patent protection. And now we want to see, what do you look for now? Lower indicators, of course, are looking... We're looking nice coming into it. Some nice MACD divergence right there. PPO made a turn. You can see an uptrend trying to be established through there, which is something that you look for. This is a very long-term sort of move. You want to see this divergence continue towards zero. A deceptively tight pincher with the PPO actually being down around -50 and the ADX up over 50. When it made its turn, of course, money came flowing in yesterday, helped these all make a sharp turn. Accumulation distribution, obviously some buying going on. Shaking money flow making a sharp turn as well. CCI, there's still plenty of room for this to continue a move again today. Possibly next couple of days. A lot of times news plays can get a nice 2-3 day pop out of them. Full stow coming off the bottom. Again, still plenty of room to move. Tricks down low at -5. You can see how slow. I talk about how smooth the tricks is. This, even with the sharp move yesterday, is still just made a hint of a turn. We want to see again this uptrend continue through there. We want to see this make its turn and continue to smoothly turn and roll towards zero. Most importantly, when people ask to take a look at something like this, what they're wondering is what to try and expect today. Closed near the high of the day yesterday, which is good. Couple important things. It got through that first resistance at 0.19. Even when it came down here and dropped the spinning top, came through yesterday, it was still going to see pretty good resistance right there, as that was a previous bottom support that fell through. Moved right through that strong yesterday, and if it wants to come back down, it really needs to hold that. I'm not even as concerned about it holding 0.149. I think if it wants to come back down after that strong move yesterday, it'll probably fall through that. We want to see it hold 0.19 as a support level. It did have, we'll put a new one on there, some resistance right in through this area. You can see it was a previous support level, then it became a resistance level at 0.33. Yesterday it touched 0.31. The whole thing is just kind of a resistance level. Move that a little bit for you. So you can see it came down. It was at 0.31 before. 0.33 was a resistance point. So we want to see it now is what we look for. Volume was just huge yesterday, 8.1 million shares. Obviously, is the most shares it's seen traded in a long time. We want to see this volume stay kind of strong. And we want to see it push through 0.33. The 20-day moving average, middle Bollinger Band, is at 0.347. You'll always hear me say it. That's the first real resistance moving average. So we want to see it try and make it right through this whole area today and push through it. Then it doesn't see any real resistance again until up here near 0.5, which is still obviously very significant gains. You're still talking almost 100%. Before it sees its next real PPS resistance, if it can move through this 0.33 area today. So this is what you look for. You want to see volume stay strong. You can see it was actually steadily increasing over the last two and a half months as a precursor possibly to a move where people were wondering if this found a bottom. Then the news came out yesterday and helped give it a pop. So today what you want to see is if it wants to dip back down, hold 0.19. If it wants to move north, get through 0.33, get through this middle Bollinger Band, right around 0.35, and hold above that. They'll put it towards the upper part of the bollies, and that's where it is to be bullish. So you want to see it get up in there. Let's test this 0.5 5-cent area and try and trend from there from the north side. So keep an eye on HLXW today. Look for it, like I say, push through these resistances, and keep volume strong. This is Andy with QualityStocks taking a look at Helix Wind.